device, new attempt to new try make everything working. And again, background like that, so I hope it will be better. You will hear me better now. And yeah, so today a long time no see on Saturday evenings. Just a second, I will listen to myself. Like that, so I hope it will be better. You will hear me better now. Yes, okay, and, good. So yeah, so today what I will do now, I will switch off the sound here, and traditionally we have our live stream on YouTube, and now I hope to fit into 45 minutes. Let's try to do this. I know it will be not very easy task for this evening, but let's just do it, and I will put the reminder for 45 minutes, but I understand that it will be a little bit maybe longer because I'm in a new setup, as I mentioned, so I need just to do everything else once again, because nothing, it's like empty environment, so I need just to set up all this sometimes required programs and launch something. So yes, I have everything here, and our goal for today, no, not goal for today, overall goal for these live streams. So we have some fun, some nice experience of using available AI assistants in agricultural tasks, specifically since all of them are very good and proficient with working with text. So we are asking them different things. We have already attempted to do some other tasks. For example, we asked to count, to measure, to assess, and with not such a huge success, but still it was interesting experience and exercise to assess the level of development, specifically for work with spatial information. I mean all this visual information which we have, this imagery from agricultural field which we have. And yes, by the way, my new setup, it gives me more opportunity to see what's going on here and everywhere. So if you will write any comment, I will see this comment, so that's good news. So I will try to stay in touch. Oh yes, I see Kashif Zaman, thank you so much. Yes, I'm happy you're here. Thank you so much for your comment. So the main point what we are doing here, we are trying to assess the level of development of AI technologies specifically for agricultural tasks. And yes, this is the main what we have done already. But today I decided maybe we need to do something else, because obviously we have these very serious tasks like trying different prompts, and we have done it already with farming seasonal tasks and assessment how the quality is good or not. And today we maybe have some fun with jokes. So I would like to ask AI about a joke on agri-tech topic, and yeah, let's just do it. But as I mentioned, I am not absolutely ready, because before in my previous live streams I was like a well-prepared person. I had a ready prompt, so I just copy pasted them. Now today it's like nothing, so I just need to do even the screen where I will show you everything. Just give me a second, and I hope we will have some interesting and happy, funny experience from all this. Yes, by the way, I have the list of our assistants, so I will share them with you in a second. So I need to create. No, I don't need this actually. I want to. So if I will disappear for a second, it's me who is trying to set up the screen. So maybe I'm just thinking, how can I do it in the most smooth way so you will not suffer? Just give me a second. Maybe I can that. Sorry about this, but as I mentioned, it's just a very hand-on experience, and I was able just to set up these two screens. But give me a second, I will be very quick. So I will come back in, let's count, 10 seconds, okay? Okay, I hope you can hear me and you can see me. Kashif, if you can hear me, please write me that you can hear me, because otherwise I will just again start to switch and go to my mobile phone. Or if you already left, that's okay, I will continue and just go to my phone and try to understand can you hear me or not. But also I will just add the screen with my everything, so I can double check that you can hear me now. So give me a second. And yeah, it's still on the delay. So anyway, let's just add another point which I want to show, and this will be, just a second, where is it? Yes, as I mentioned, new something. Oh yes, I see. Thank you so much for your comment, Kashif. Thank you so much for your support. And now we need to add another point, which is kind of like capture of window. Just a second, where is it now? Oh yes, I see. It's this one. And now you will see my oh no, not that easy. Just a second again. Yes, and in the meantime, I hope you had a very nice Saturday, and yes, so next Saturday it will be much smoother experience, because all these screens, they will be already with me and they will stay, and everything will be better than now we have. So just a second, one more, and we will then start our proper work. And yes, so maybe this one, video capture, now display capture. What I need to do? Just a second, I will think. What else can I show you in order to show all my list of my AI assistants which will be helping us today to do the job with all these tasks. Okay, so I have them open, so now I just need to add them here. So what I need to do, I need to select what will be demonstrated. Yes, but it's not so easy actually. Oh my god, the new environment. And yes, by the way, a few days ago I had this live stream on LinkedIn, and I mentioned that there are like 3 operational systems: Windows, MacOS and Ubuntu. That means Linux. So basically now I'm under MacOS, and it's kind very difficult to switch from other operational systems to this one, because it has a kind of special setup of everything. So that's why it will be I'm not sure I will remove this part from the live stream, but at least it will stay in my history, how I was trying to add a new screen using this MacOS environment, and just yeah, and to be stuck. Because yes, in other things which I was using before, it was pretty straightforward, but in our current environment, and especially it's evening time, so yes, it's kind of puzzle for me now, but don't worry, we will solve it. So oh, I see another. Oh yes, I see another one. Oh, just give me a second, I discovered something else which may help us. So no, but I don't need this browser, I need another browser. Just a second, maybe I will figure out how do I. No, we will remove this browser, sorry, so we are removing it. How we can remove it? Oh, here, yes, so we are removing it now, and then we are trying still, we are working hard to add a new okay, let's just do everything what we have. So maybe this one. No, it's not correct. Oh, it's kind, yes, if after 5 minutes we will not discover, then I will ask my AI assistant just to help us to find that screen, because I don't want to waste our mutual time. So maybe this one. No, it's not correct one. So just to explain you, I have like a menu of possibilities what I can add now. So I've already added my video camera, I added my microphone so you can hear me. Yes, I even can add music. I will add music at least so it will be not so boring. At least some fun while I'm trying to find this browser. Oh yes, now the music is hopefully playing or not playing. I'm not sure it's playing because yeah, it should be because I see some in audio mixture. I see that there are a sign of life, so it's moving. But still, we are on the mission to find the right screen and just bring it so it will not be that black. So let's just continue, and then on one day maybe it will be very funny, but as of now I am kind of struggling, so just give me a second, one more. So video capture device, it's not correct. I think it's here, but window capture, maybe window capture again. Video capture device, no. Display capture, maybe display. But then I will show you everything. But it's okay. It's as of now. So sorry, guys. You will see all the Oh, but it can show me. Okay, just a second again. Yes, because you see in different operational systems there are different approaches how they manage, and first of all, interface is different for this. The same program in different operational systems looks differently. So let's just try one more thing. A screenshot, not screenshot, built-in, not that. So what I can add additionally? Yes, maybe MacOS screen capture, maybe this one. Okay, just a second. Maybe window capture. Yeah. Oh, application capture, maybe this one. No, not clear. Okay, let's say window capture, and then nothing happens. Oh my god, it's so complicated. I thought it will be easy. So now on my left hand side I have like already 10 points which I tried to add, and there is no fun. I planned that this will be like a kind of fun session when we will ask AI assistants, and actually I want to use this for, like, I asked AI series and make a PDF and make a nice something for tomorrow or next week, but yeah, with this kind of very complicated software, it's a problem now, but don't worry, we will definitely solve this problem. So I'll just clean all this mess which I have created here in my screen. You obviously don't see it, but yeah, I have plenty of attempts. So where should it be? I am just confused. I thought it will be not that difficult. Anyway, we are continuing. So what else can we add? So screen capture we already tried. Image slideshow, no, it's not image definitely. So I just need a browser, and I'm not sure why it's so difficult. Okay, let's try one more time. Window capture, yes, and then I need to choose what I can choose. I have window server or window status indicator, but I actually need just one nice document, and it's called my AI assistants. So what's the problem? Computer, why are you not showing me this? Okay, just give me a second. Maybe I can do menu bar. No, you also see that menu bar, but it's not what I want to show you. Window capture. Now you can see as well what I'm looking at. So that's a challenge. So. Okay. What can I do now? Just remove this, and remove this, and remove this. And just tidy up here a little bit. I know what we will do, so just a second. I will just close this. Yes, and now we will just do this everything. So I will show you everything again, and you will be so it will be display capture, because I am already tired of all this search. So we definitely need to so display capture, and but why it's not displaying? I thought everything will be here, and well, that's definitely a problem. Okay, just give me a second, or maybe it's already displaying. I'm just not aware of this, but I thought I will be able just to bring it here, and or maybe here, device not connected. No, it's not that. Okay, display capture, properties, display capture. Oh, I know what we can do. Just give me a second. I have a display which is next to me, so just give me a second. I will just change the wires, so it will be just a second. I have a display, so maybe I will just build this extra everything right here and right now. So just a second, I will switch on my display, and it will be probably on some stage shown. I do apologize for this, not very not very nice images and everything. So I will probably now go to this starting soon, and just add my display, and then I'll come back in 10 seconds. Okay, so here we are. I managed to add my display, so now I will do one more attempt and just will add. Do we have display? Now we have display capture. So why don't we have the opportunity to add the display, which is above me now? So sometimes but the main thing, I hope at least it will work. I don't know why it's not still working. Just give me one more thing. I will try to, where is it? So this is me and this is display capture. Device not connected or not available. Why? So probably I see that it's already like 30 minutes when I'm just trying to add this document into the screen. So what I understand. So probably I will just manage this stuff. I will go to the full screen. I will manage this stuff without you. I will do everything working. I will do extra double check, because as I discovered, MacOS, it's a new science for me. Rocket science was live streaming, now it's a new science of MacOS, and then I will do it tomorrow. So if you will have time, let's just see each other tomorrow, and maybe earlier, because 9 p.m. now in the UK it's almost 10. So it's quite late one. So I will now schedule for tomorrow the live stream. So if you will be available tomorrow, let's just meet and do this fun. And we will have some definitely fun, because I have a nice topic to ask from our AI assistants. So I would like to thank you for your time, and one more apologies for this technical everything you see, but we are on the right stage, because do you remember what we had before? It was even more horrible. So I am so glad that at least now you can see me and you can write and I can respond to you. So yeah, so we will move on from the stage, and soon everything will be very smooth and nice. In the meantime, I wish you very good night and very good rest, and yes, see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.